Hi folks, today let's discuss about the new mobile phones coming to the market in August 2023 under 20,000 rupees. Before we proceed, we will request you to like our video and subscribe to our channel so that you get notified of all our new videos. We have categorized phones based on their processor speed, RAM, storage space, camera quality, display, batteries, and in conjugation with their prices, ease of use and value for money. Let's start with the fifth position in the list. Realme 11 5G, it will be priced around 18,990. It will have an octa-core 2.2 GHz processor, 8 GB RAM, 6.43 inches screen, 64 plus 2 megapixel double camera with a 8 megapixel front camera and a 5000 mAh fast charging battery. Fourth in the list is Samsung Galaxy A24, which will be priced at 18,090 rupees. It will have an octa-core 2.2 GHz processor, 6 GB RAM, 6.5 inches screen, 50 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel triple camera with a 13 megapixel front camera and a 5000 mAh fast charging battery. This phone, although is a great phone but does not support 5G. The 5G version will also be launched and will cost around 24,000 rupees. Third in the list is Moto G71s 5G and will be tentatively priced at 19,790. It will have an octa-core 2.2 GHz processor, 8 GB RAM, 6.6 inches screen, 50 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel triple camera with a 16 megapixel front camera and a 5000 mAh fast charging battery. This phone will support 5G. Second in the list is Samsung Galaxy F34 5G and will be priced at 16,999. It will have an octa-core 2.4 GHz processor, 6 GB RAM, 6.5 inches screen, 50 plus 12 plus 5 megapixel triple camera with a 16 megapixel front camera and a 6000 mAh fast charging battery and will support 5G. First in the list and the most anticipated phone of this month is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12T Pro 5G and will be priced at 18,690 rupees. It will house a massive octa-core 3.1 GHz processor, 8 GB RAM, 6.6 inches screen, 64 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel triple camera with a 16 megapixel front camera and a 5080 mAh fast charging battery and is a 5G phone. So, folks, this completes the top 5 upcoming mobile phones under 20,000 in August 2023. Hope you find this video useful and it helps you in making the correct choice while buying your next mobile phone. Please do like and subscribe our channel to get notified about our new videos.